Armstrong, face plant. Instability, spinning up the weapon. Facing that titanium. Pushing into the blade, trying to stop or push instability around. Oh! Titanium face! Instability. Weapon still working. Kind of attacks. Blade though, getting in. And instability gets spun back up. That motor is working extra hard. The poor robot is now stuck on the titanium. People doing some work, pushing instability around. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't tell me that Tissue Box is about to win this match. Instability, trying to get that weapon spun back up. There it goes. A little bit of hand, up to speed. There it goes, up it goes. Tissue Box taking some superficial damage. Still capable of dispensing Kleenex.